In this video, you will know why do we need data catalog. It is explained for beginner data engineers. We will know the details. Why do we maintain data catalog? The problem with unorganized data. Organizations generate massive data from databases, apps, cloud applications, but you need some structure. Without structures, teams constantly ask the same questions. The key points that we need to know in the data catalog is where is the data stored, who owns this data, what does this table mean. This is where data catalog becomes essential. These points you need to know, maintain a handy notebook. Coming to data catalog in detail, like a search engine, you take any search engine, Google or Bing, it helps to find information on the internet, right? A data catalog helps you discover and understand data inside your company. What it stores? It stores table names, it stores column definitions, it stores data owners, it stores data lineage, it stores data descriptions. So users can search and discover data sets easily and no more asking of multiple times. A simple real world example, a data analyst needs customer data from multiple systems. If you don't maintain, let us suppose, if you don't maintain any data catalog, what happens? If you maintain data catalog, what happens? If you don't maintain data catalog, teams will ask same information multiple times and they search through hundreds of tables and waste hours finding the right data set and unsure if data set is the most current or not. So with data catalog, search customer data instantly and see where the data set exists and know who created it and what each column means. Check when it was updated. So this organized, structured data catalog, it simplifies the whole team's job and it improves team's performance as well, and teams also will get information, latest up-to-date information. So the key features of data catalog, what does it contain? So data discovery, you can search the data sets using keywords and find what you need in seconds. And metadata management, you can maintain the metadata. It stores table names, column definitions and schemas. Data lineage visualization, like from front-end application to the back-end application and from back-end application to the front-end application, how the data flow happens, data lineage will cover this portion. And data governance is control who can access which data across your organization. Data ownership, identify who is responsible for maintaining each data set. These things data catalog will cover. And the popular data catalog tools is modern data platforms. They offer powerful catalog solutions. So AWS Glue Data Catalog, Azure Purview, Google Data Catalog, Apache Atlas, Colibra, Alation, all these tools help you maintain a data catalog. Then why data catalog matters? If I don't maintain, we already discussed, if we maintain data catalog, what happens we already seen. But if you go in detail, you can find data quickly and it improves data governance, it increases trust in data quality, it reduces duplicate data sets, enable better data driven solutions. A data catalog turns scattered, confusing data into organized and searchable and trustworthy knowledge for your entire organization. So the key takeaway, your data catalog equals your organization's search engine for data. So if you want to learn more from this channel on data engineering, Databricks and cloud data tools, follow this channel for more simple explanation.